Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about how to get extended support for your Windows 10 computer. If you didn't know, October 14th, 2025 is the last day for support for Windows 10 computers. Microsoft originally said Windows 10 was forever, but they've changed their minds and released Windows 11. So you poor Windows 10 users, you will have to choose from a couple of options when it comes to October 14th of 2025 because Microsoft is done supporting Windows, or is it? As of July of 2025, Microsoft had a change of heart and decided they were going to create an extended security updates support program to allow Windows 10 users to get an extra year of support for their laptop and desktop computers. Now, there are several options you can do as far as support for your computer. You can enroll in the extended support, or you can go out and buy a new Windows 11 computer. So that option is up to you as far as what you want to do. But if you've got a perfectly working Windows 10 computer, it would be my suggestion that you go ahead and enroll in the extended security updates program that Microsoft is offering. And fortunately, I've got a Windows 10 computer still. I'm taking screenshots and I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to get that thing accomplished. But before I do, let's talk about why your Windows 10 computer won't update to Windows 11. A couple of things, technical, hardware-wise, that are installed on newer computers that will not allow you to upgrade to Windows 11. Most importantly is your processor on your computer. For you Intel users, if you're running a Series 8 Intel processor or higher, you should not have problems updating to Windows 11. But if you have a Windows 7 series processor below, along with some other hardware requirements, you will not be able to upgrade. And there's nothing that you can do to install Windows 11 on an outdated Windows 10 computer. There are some things, and there is a YouTube video I created earlier this year that would allow you to do it, but there's a lot of steps, and it's not geared for the non-techie audience that is attracted to this YouTube channel. So if you're non-techie, my suggestion would be to go ahead and enroll in the Windows Extended Security Update program. How does that work? Pretty darn simple. So let's take a look at the screenshots I've got for this process. So first things first, number one, you will get a notice that you can enroll in the Extended Security Updates program for Microsoft. But the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you are checking for updates so that you're at the end of the road as far as your main updates for Windows 10. You'll get a message, as you've seen on the screen, where it will let you know that you are up to date and there are no more updates that you need to download. You'll get the Windows 10 support in screen, and you can enroll in the Extended Security Updates program for your computer. But again, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you download the latest major update for Windows 10 before you'll get the prompt to enroll in the security update. So check updates, make sure your Windows 10 computer is saying that it's up to date, and you will get prompted to enroll. Next step would be to click on the Enroll Now once your computer is up to date, so that way you can start the process of enrolling in the extended security updates to keep your computer up to date. Now, the way that what happens when you get your or enroll in the Windows Extended Security Update program is that you will get a year's worth of extended updates for your Windows 10 computer, which then after October 13th of 2026, you will eventually have to face the music and purchase a new Windows 11 computer. But at least Microsoft is extending it out so that way you can have time to decide what you want to do. Now, the next step, once you click on choose to enroll, is what are you going to do? So you got an option to back up your PC settings, which you can obviously do at no extra cost. But the things that you really want to concentrate on is either A, you can redeem 1,000 points to update or get the extended security updates for no charge, or you have to make a one-time purchase of $30 to Microsoft in order to enroll in that extended security update programs. Now, I know what many of you are asking about the whole Microsoft reward system. How exactly does that Microsoft reward system work? Well, it's kind of wonky, and I want to explain how that works as far as the reward system is concerned. So let's take a look at the Microsoft Rewards website, which is at rewards.bing.com. So as you can see from my account, I'm a level 1. I only have 2,044 points available to redeem if I needed to update to Windows 11 or extend my update, so I could do it. But one of the things that we're going to look at real quick is not the redeem option, but the earn option, which I think is kind of wonky. If we scroll down, there are different ways that you can earn points. For example, earn up to 50 points daily, 5 points for every Bing search, which if you can only earn up to 5 points daily, that's going to put you in a tight crunch as far as earning points. But you can start the process to see if you can earn 1,000 points. But again, going back to the website, there are different things that you can do to earn points through Microsoft through Bing search. You don't necessarily have to use Edge as a browser. You can just use the Bing website and go to rewards.bing.com, and there are a variety of different ways that you can earn points through Bing and help earn more points. So there you go. So there you have it. So I know that is a complicated and convoluted thing. So for most of you, it may be easier just to do the one-time purchase for the extended security update program as opposed to trying to earn points through Bing. So after you redeem or pay, you'll get an option to back up your PC, or you can transfer your information to a new PC. So if you decided to go the route of a Windows 11 computer, you transfer your information to, I think it's the OneDrive or an external hard drive to ensure that your information makes it over to a new PC. Going forward, once you click your option, as you've already backed up your Windows settings, you're eligible to enroll in the Extended Security Update program at no extra charge. And as you can see, your updates are valid through October 13th of 2026. Once you do that, you would want to click on the Enroll option, and it will enroll your computer in the Extended Security Updates program. Once you click on Enroll, you'll get the familiar Windows 10 swirling dots option as far as making sure that you are in the process of enrolling your device in the security updates. And if you're successful, you will get this final message that will say you're enrolled through October 13th of 2026. So you can stay up to date by going to settings, but that is it as far as your options are concerned, as far as enrolling in your Windows Extended Security Updates program. Now, one of the things that you may have to do with your Microsoft computer is to set up a Microsoft account through Microsoft. So you'll be prompted to do so. Setting up a Microsoft account is completely free, so you don't have to worry about that process of paying extra for a Microsoft account. But when we talk about keeping a Windows 10 computer versus updating to a Windows 11 computer, take and consider the following factors. If you are a casual user of a Windows 10 computer and it's not in your budget to go out and purchase a new computer, which can cost you anywhere from $300 to $700 depending on the laptop or desktop, you might want to just pay the $30 or use points to enroll in the program. However, if you are a power user and you are probably at the point that you need to get a new computer, then would be my suggestion that you would go ahead and not update. Well, if you have the option to update your Windows 10 computer, go ahead and update that computer to Windows 11. If you get the option to upgrade, do it. Also, if you have a Windows 10 computer that you can't update, then yes, you need to go ahead and bite the bullet and purchase a Windows 11 computer. And of course, transfer your information from one computer to the next and keep on rolling. Now, I'm kind of curious. So if you've got comments or questions, or I would like to know, if you're in the comment section, if you're going to enroll in the program and keep your Windows 10 computer, or if you're going to just upgrade your existing computer to 11, or if you're going to purchase a computer. Leave them in the comment section. Love to hear from you to find out what you plan to do with this update. So if you enjoyed this video and want to continue to see this video and share this with your family and friends, be sure to comment, like, and share on this video so that more people who are not tech savvy can keep up with a YouTube channel or a streaming podcast that will allow them to find out the latest and greatest things about technology and how it all works. Now, my goal with every video that I create is to open all of you up to a whole new world of ideas and experiences when it comes to your technology. I love technology. I've read all the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile, and thanks for watching.